Hi everyone, my name is Andre Ritonga and my friend Firsi Sutandi, Harlem Ganda Tua Aritonang and Lukman Simarimare. Here we will present the result of our discussion of journal literature entitled Analysis of Import Export to Foreign Exchange Research, research and to background research. Indonesia and developing country operates an open economic system requiring transactional activities and foreign exchange payment. The Central Bank Indonesia reserves foreign exchange for development and foreign obligation. This research experiments the relationship between export and import and Indonesian's foreign exchange reserves, finding that export and import significantly influence this research. Next,
Devisa backup. Foreign exchange reserve are the aggregate of foreign currencies owned by the government and the private sector of a country. The currency reserve are also defined as the amount of foreign currencies that are reserved at the central bank for the purpose of financing development and obligation abroad, for example, for export and import financing and other financing to foreign countries. The foreign reserve is also defined as the total of foreign currency funds used by the central bank for the purpose of the financing and foreign liability rights of the country concerned, including inter alia, import payments, and other payments to foreign parties. And B. Export. Export is an act of bringing goods out of custom territories, which means the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, including its land, waters, and upper space. The role of export is to stimulate the nation economy by increasing the country's currency. When the export rate weakens, the foreign exchange reserves will decrease, and otherwise, if the export rate is high, then the foreign reserve that you have will also increase. One factor is in increasing foreign exchange reserve is due to export activity. Exports are capable of boosting trade between other countries that have the aim of creating economic relationship that relate to other countries.
C. Import. Import is the activity of buying or importing goods or commodities from the country of the seller to the buyer country. Imports can be understood as purchase of goods and services from abroad into the country with cooperation agreements between two or more countries. A process of buying grain from another country officially into the east of its own country. This stage is like bringing goods or commodities from another country into one's own country. The importation of goods in the depot requires the intervention of the expatriate custom administrators. Each country concerned. Imported goods are goods that cannot be produced or are already producable but are not sufficient to satisfy the needs of the people. Denny 2013. Uh, Next slide, methodology. This study aims to understand the influence of import-export on foreign exchange reserve. The method of literature study is used in the study to analyze the impact of export and import on currency reserve. Variable Y is devisa backup, X1 export, X2 import. Framework of mind. The framework of thought is an early explanation of the phenomenon that is the focus of the problem. Sugiono, 2017. Its function is to provide an overview of the relationship between the theory and the factors that are the core of the research. Thus, it can conclude that, that, that the framework of the research is the sequence, the drafting of theories that exist in the theoretical foundation. In addition, this research framework will also serve as reference for the variable to be studied in the future, which are described as follows.
Result and discourse. There are several points of discussion that can be found in the fading of the relationship between export, import, and foreign exchange reserve space. Relationship between export versus foreign exchange reserve space. Export and foreign exchange reserves are crucial for a country's economy, as they stimulate domestic demand and create economic relationship. Low or stable export have a significant positive trend toward foreign expenses, boosting trade and acquiring foreign currency. Indonesia foreign exchange reserves are positively influenced by export variables, and government export to improve competitiveness, facilitate access to financing, strengthen trade infrastructure, and implement free trade agreements can help maintain market access and support export activities. The relationship between import and foreign exchange reserves. Import are determined by the ability to market goods that can fall and compete with goods outside the country. However, the increase in import is triggered by the strong domestic demand for some imports, followed by hyper raw material in Indonesia and cheaper labor costs. The governments policies to regulate import and foreign exchange reserves. Indonesia is import ratings and trades.
Next, conclusion and suggestion. The result of the data analysis can be concluded that simultaneously or partially export and import variables have a significant influence on foreign exchange reserves in Indonesia. Indonesian export must be increased. The government can provide policies to the people in particular who will do export. In order to get easier in qualifying for export, the government must suppress the growth of import. For example, by reducing imports of branded products and importing raw materials that will later be used for export purpose. And that is all from us. We will say thank you so much for watching this video. We want to apologize if there is a mistake. We hope what we have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ciu. On nggak, Be? Lu.
Anjir. Rusak.
Ijijo dah.
Hah?
Ijijo dah. Arong kegiatan.
izin. Oi, masa ay sudi. Oh, nama tuh.
Masa be, berarti kalau remaja oke.
Oke. Mulai tete.
Oke, futsal lang. Kila ya. Oke. Oh, lu makan to.
Skipin na.
Skip. Oke.
Ano ka rin, Jok?
Kila ya.
Martin, Tok.
Thank you.
Malon, Tok.
Thank you betul.
Okay.
Malon, Tok.
Oke.
Malon, Tok.
Thank you, Gay.